determine function name from within that function without using traceback. In Python, without using the traceback module, is there a way to determine a function's name from within that function? Say I have a module foo with a function bar. When executing foo.bar, is there a way for bar to know bar's name? Or better yet, foo.bar's name?
Output.
If you don't want to play with the stack yourself, you should either use bar or bar.__name__ depending on context. Python doesn't have a feature to access the function or its name within the function itself. A magic __function _ had been proposed for Python 3.0 but rejected. See PEP 3130 access to current module class function. The given rejection notice is: this PEP is rejected. It is not clear how it should be implemented or what the precise semantics should be in edge cases, and there aren't enough important use cases given. Response has been lukewarm at best.
You can get the name that it was defined with using the approach that @Andreas Jung shows, but that may not be the name that the function was called with. Whether that distinction is important to you or not, I can't say.
I wanted a very similar thing because I wanted to put the function name in a log string that went in a number of places in my code. Probably not the best way to do that, but here's a way to get the name of the current function.
What is the